ufuna uje. Yesu kupelile. Koma Yesu ufuna uje atokona kuiguqula impilo yakho. Amen. Ufuna uje. Akafuni ngalesikhathi uphakeme. Ufuna ngalesikhathi usephasi. Yes. Levo ikalangani ngesindisi. Athi Jesu yena ngithe emhlabeni kuthi into khona wena ukuthi osizisa abantu. Ngithe emhlabeni ukuthi obahlukanisa nanombuso wemnyama. Ngithe emhlabeni ukuthi obahlukanisa nanemandla esono. Ngithe emhlabeni ukuthi obahlukanisa nanemandla andokufa. Ngithe emhlabeni ukuthi obahlukanisa nanemandla esoko. That is the purpose Jesu wethu emhlabeni. Because wathatha and wabona wena kufanele kuzaphela wena ukukhulula emandleni sabala Satan. That was the reason because Satan uyafela akilata ngenxa uthi uwonile phambi kwaNkulunkulu. Amen. Jesus came for you. I preach lesonweni ngashumayela inshumayelo yomthetho. Moses, man of God, nakadala lo mthetho. It was not because labantu bebenakade. Lo mthetho wadalwa ngenxa ukuthi bambelana bayona phambi kwaNkulunkulu. Amen. And nabawenda lo mthetho engqondweni kaNkulunkulu bengase ukuthi ngalo mthetho bathola batawulungiswa babekahle. But now uNkulunkulu bekazama kwena ukuveta the sinful nature yabo bakhomba ukuthi nine senole kangakanani nikwathisa kangakanani. And for this reason kule judgment because uNkulunkulu ngayifo there is a part of God that deals with judgment and then there is a part of God that deals with mercy and then there is a part of God that deals with love and then that love insisted that man cannot be punished because of what all their sins and then now the normal judgment bekafuna wena kumhlulela umuntu but ngenxa yomusa waNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu wena no hold back that punishment bebemelele yehlele phuke. Amen.